Welcome to ATDC 1-minute video tips. These video series is composed of different tips on service procedures, machine operation as well as maintenance procedures that will surely help you in handling your Komatsu machines. Disclaimer: this video serves as an additional guide and should not be used in replacement of the Komatsu's shop manuals and operator and maintenance manuals, or OMM. For the complete procedures, please always refer to the Komatsu manuals, as mentioned. Auto idle stop, or AIS function. Applicable models: PC 200-10M0CE, PC 500LC-10R. The auto idle stop function stops the engine automatically at the set time when the engine is idling with the lock lever in lock position. The auto idle stop function operates only when the following conditions are satisfied. The engine is running normally. The lock lever is in lock position. The engine coolant and hydraulic oil are not overheating. The engine is not in automatic warm-up operation. The machine is not in L mode. You can change the set time to operate the auto idle stop function on auto idle stop timer setting. Select auto idle stop timer setting on machine setting menu screen. Select the set time on auto idle stop timer setting screen shown in the video. When the idling time reaches 30 seconds before the set time, the monitor returns to the standard screen, and it changes to the countdown screen. When the countdown reaches 0, the engine stops, and the screen changes to auto idle stop in operation screen. Turn off the unnecessary switches to prevent the battery from discharging. Turn the starting switch key as usual to restart the engine. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please stay tuned for more video updates.